Hey, you there. Welcome to my channel. I'm doing my second review for OMGqueen. This is a kinky curly unit. I'm just showing you the inside of what it looks like, and I'm just going to jump right into the video. First thing is first, you're going to wet the hair, of course. I really don't recommend that you use a comb, so I'm going to show you how to use your detangling brush correctly. You're going to wet the hair first and wet it enough to where it's not bouncing back. Yes, this is a 360 unit, so it's a lace in the front and a little bit of lace in the back, and then the tracks in the middle. So you want it to be wet enough to where it's not still dry in some places. Now that I have it all wet and I have my part, I'm going to get the mousse it down, use a detangling brush, and comb that product in as well. This is how much the wig shedded overall during this whole detangling process. This is pretty darn good, especially for some kinky curly hair, which I am not a big fan of, but I think I'm gonna love this wig. I'm gonna pluck the part a little bit, just so it can be a little more realistic and not so wiggy-like. Just showing you guys what it looks like when you pluck correctly. You'll see the roots of the hair. Snip, snip, snip. Make sure your wig is even all the way around so you can lift it up. Continue to cut until it's completely even. The main key to this whole process, sit your wig under the dryer until it's dry. I don't know why, but I woke up in a great mood. But get into this wig, like, sis, you cute or whatever, okay? But this video was to show you guys how I recommend that you wear curly hair when it's cold. It still has the wet look, but it's not wet. I hope you were paying attention. Take these, hook them together, just like that. Child, I had to go put my fur on just to let y'all know how real it was. But do not run your fingers through the hair and be so rough with it. Then it's going to look wild and poofy, and it will defeat the purpose of this whole process. Once again, thank you guys so much for tuning in. Love ya. See you next time.